Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening display settings so you change brightness behavior directly. Tap Settings, then choose Display or Display and Brightness depending on your device. You want to find Auto Brightness, Adaptive Brightness, or an Ambient Light option. This is usually near the brightness slider. Once done, pause and read the label so you know whether the system adapts to light or location. Make sure your screen is visible under current lighting so you can confirm the toggle state before proceeding to disable it. You now flip the toggle to turn off automatic brightness. This stops the OS from changing brightness without your input. On some phones, it's labeled Adaptive Brightness. Turn it off and then tweak the brightness slider manually so you set a baseline. If the option re-enables itself, check Power Saver or Display Optimization settings because those can override your choice. Once you set it manually, the system should hold that level until you change it, giving you consistent control and preventing sudden dimming or brightening. You finish by verifying other features that might re-enable adaptive brightness, such as Power Saver or battery optimization. Disable those overrides if necessary. If the toggle won't stick, restart the device to apply settings cleanly. Make sure any vendor-specific display apps or motion-sensing features are off because they can reassert automatic adjustments. One key troubleshooting tip: if the problem persists, reset display preferences or update system software to rule out bugs, which often...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.